Good morning, everyone. Julie Lindsay here. It's Wednesday, August the 16th, and we're into week 2 of the Endangered Animals 17-1 project. Just having a bit of a look at progress, and I just want to congratulate you all for the wonderful efforts you've made in the last week and a half or so, getting started with the project, looking at the flip grids. Every school has contributed. Well done. They're looking great. So the process now, of course, is for students to make sure they do introduce themselves and then to go in and find their team members and say hi to their team members and make that connection, build that empathy with their team member. Don't forget with the flip grid, if someone records something that you're not happy with, just let me know and I can go in and delete it and they can redo it. Okay, so keep that line of communication going, but excellent work there. So then we're moving on to the Padlets. Now, Chris has done this lovely job of adding a different image to every Padlet, and schools are now starting to jump in and use them. I just want to talk about best practice in terms of the Padlet. Now, this one, SHP jumped in yesterday and started to add some things, and just want you to be aware of what we consider best practice here. Now, these students obviously use Padlet in their class already because they're signed in as themselves, which is great. You don't have to do that. I'll show you an example in a minute where it says anonymous, but these students have actually recognised themselves. They've actually put their school initials there. They've added a URL, etc. So it's pretty clear who they are. I've responded here to one of them and I've put who I am at the end, project manager. I could have put teacher. So best practice is to make sure that you're clearly identified and that what you're trying to say is clear. Now, there was a request for us to open up the Padlet so that students could edit each other's points or each other's posts and add some additional information. We've decided not to do that. Now, I know it's just an easy click on each Padlet, but we really want individual students to have their own contributions, and then co-contributions can be via comment. We can also reorder these contributions. As you can see, they're easy to reorder if we need to sort of group them in the future. So let's see how we go with that, because we would like to see that individuality, and also teachers can track more easily what each student has contributed without a question mark there as to who's edited it and added additional things that weren't that student's contribution, if you know what I mean. Okay, so that one's looking good. This one, we've got anonymous at the top here, but Aaron has identified himself and the school, so that's good as well. This one is looking pretty good. Lovely URLs there. Let's see, what else have I got? This one's looking great. With pictures shared, excellent. But we don't know who these people are because these are anonymous. So maybe these students could go in and add their names. And then Chris, of course, has left a comment and put project manager afterwards, Ms. Triminal project manager. So teachers, as you go in and add comments, don't forget to add the fact that you're a teacher. All right, so that we know. It's good to know who we all are as we're contributing to this knowledge base. So have a great week, everyone. Thanks very much. Bye for now.